blue when there is an available video to download. So if you don't play the video, the option right here won't turn blue. So go ahead and click on the play button. Alright, I hate ads. So once the play button has been hit and you see the video playing, you'll see this highlighted blue. So what you're gonna do now is go ahead and click on that link. And sometimes you have more than one links right here to download a video, but you want to go with the one with the most megabytes. So this says 889 megabytes. You're gonna go ahead and click on it, and it should start downloading down here in the bottom left hand corner. Once it starts downloading, you can go ahead and click off the site if you don't want to stay there anymore. I want to thank you guys again for always supporting me and subscribing to my videos. Continue looking out for more. If you need assistance with the video downloader, leave it in the comments below. And also, if you need help with any other software, any tricks and tips, feel free to message me or follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, guys.